LSD today with Don and Ali at New Valley. It rhymes. Guys, this is LSD 2.5 hours via run walk method. So if you can see some of our clips, we're actually walking. Natutuwa ba kayo na nakakita kayo ng ganitong downhill? Ako kasi hindi eh. Bakit ng PNPA eh?
Nag-bike na kami dyan.
Ah, talaga?
Dun sa kanina. Baka naman. Dyan pa ang tanong, di ba?
Oo.
Kaya pamilyar sa akin. Pero takbo dito.
Sabi mo? Grumpy na naman si The Grinch. Guys, this is LSD 2.5 hours via run walk method. So if you can see some of our clips, we're actually walking. So we're running 3 minutes and then walking 1. It's fine, it's still running. We don't care. Love, love. Hey! Takbo-takbo lang! A ka muna, A. Hey! Ano na nag-ula? Guys, look at that. Sarap tumakbo dito. Although, wala silang run path or bike path. So, ito lang yung bike path nila, itong side na to. But, you know, for runners, wala masyado. If di nyo pa na-try mag-run dito or mag-bike, what you can do is you can come here early kasi umiinit dito. And then, when you come here, park sa Soledad or park sa Maiseta side. So, i-google nyo na lang kung saan yun. Okay? Miriam College, straight ahead. Sunday na Sunday, nag-uphill! Kasalanan mo to! Right, Miriam College, let's go! Let's go, mama! Check form! Ba't kayo naglalakad? Kala ko LSD run, hindi LSD walk. Joke, siya din. We are almost there. Less than 1 kilometer na lang, and we have been running for 1 hour and 11 minutes for 6 kilometers. So definitely pagdating namin ng Miriam, it's going to be 7 km. God, the uphill is dreadful, but it's fun. You're with your friends, you're with your loved ones, so we're just gonna keep moving forward. Let's go. Dito na kami. Miriam College, New Valley. Ah! Ah! But it's not over kasi pabalik pa kami, guys. Okay? So, yeah. See you later. Yay! Teka lang. Ito lang ano. Ano ba yun? Hindi. Okay. Don't get the car na. I'll wait for you here. Sige na.
Wait niyo ako ng mga 3 hours.
Tagal naman. 30 minutes. Whew. Going back. Okay, picture. Iya, siya sumama ka na. Tayo naman yung heart mo ano. Ah, sige, ito na lang. Uy! Uy!
Tayo na lang, diba?
Bakit? Tayo ito muna.
Ano yata tayo?
Oh, taka lang. Isa pa. One more. Aww.
Yuck. Tayo naman daw.
Aww. 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 Nanyo. Nanyo. kilometers na lang, guys. Just realized I forgot to tell you. If you plan on running here, magdala kayo ng headlamp, especially kung gusto niyo hindi kayo aabutan ng araw, because it gets very dark here. And dito sa lugar na wait lang. And dito sa lugar papunta ng Nuvali South, hindi ko sure kung binubuksan yung ilaw, pero yung sa side ng Soledad medyo madilim kanina eh. So just to make sure, dala kayo ng headlamp. Okay? Tsaka ingat kayo kasi you don't wanna fall there. That's a ilog with shallow water. Alright?
3 minutes.
We're back! Namatay na guys yung lolo ko, so hindi na alam kung ganong kalayo, pero siguro 15 kilometers. Anong time natin? 2:30 na, no? 2:30 pa din! Pasok pa din! Ayun guys, so kakain muna kami. And of course we're gonna stretch, but yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!